Everyone, I want to talk about this Vevor dog ramp. This was sent to me to check out. I wanted to thank Vevor for sending it to me. But I wanted to talk about how easy it is to set up, and we're going to do a real live test with our dog, Dixie. But basically, this has a nice carry handle, nice and compact, as you can see there, for easy storage. And then all you have to do to get it set up is you just open it up. So I'm going to open it up like this. So you can see there that it's opened up. This part goes towards your vehicle. You can use this for as a ramp for your vehicle, for any kind of steps that you want your dog to avoid. The nice feature about this is you have a clip right here that can clip on there so that this can't pull off far away. So it's always going to be nice and secure. You have these non-slip guides here on the ramp. So you can see here, that's nice and sturdy. So that's holding my weight really well. Instead of having to lift your dog into the trunk, or maybe they might not want to jump into the trunk, they can easily go up the ramp. So that's a nice feature about this. So we're going to test it out right now. All right, Dixie's not used to going up this ramp, but we're going to try and, there you go. So you can see how easy that is for her to get up, and if you want your dog to get up or down. All right, so I'm just going to show you how to close it back up. I'm going to unclip this safety clip here. Pretty much folds into itself. So you can see that. There's pretty much 4 segments here. They all close in. There you have it. So nice easy handle. Nice Vevor dog ramp. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.